So today I am comparing the OPI Reoccurrin Gleam. Why do I keep forgetting the name? I can't for the life of me remember it. To Frosted Ice Cotton Candy by Pure Ice. And here we go. You see what I mean? How the Pure Ice comes out almost chrome-like and completely loses its pink. It looks more silver or white on the nail, whereas this one actually does keep the pink with that gold glitter. This one is not like that at all. That's why I thought Rosebud was more closely resembled, the OPI one. We're still going to be trying, where's the other one? I don't know where I put it at the moment, but I have one more baby pink from Pure Ice that I want to try and compare this one to. I think that one will show up more pink than this one because it's a little bit darker in the bottle. I think that one will actually show up the way this one looks in the bottle on the nail, and then it'll look darker in the bottle. But then again, you never really know. You really never know unless you've tried these polishes, really. But I always thought these were so fun because of the chrome effect. Some of them were real pearlescent polishes, and this one you thought might be one too, but it wasn't. It was totally a chrome. And this was before brands were labeling polishes as chrome. Because this is from 98, I believe. 98, 97, these polishes. I have them from. It was like I was late 7th grade, early 8th grade. I had these. And then I don't remember seeing a polish labeled as a chrome until I was at least 18 working at Eckerd. That's when Sally came out with that chrome line. The chrome makeup for the nails. At least that's best from what I recall from my memory. My memory might be, I may be mistaken. I'm not really an expert, but yeah. Pretty. I really like this color though. I'm very happy with this one. I'm a little disappointed in the Grape Escape and what was the name of that last one? Keep It Surreal. I didn't really care for those two. So far out of that entire Dreaming collection, I would have to say I really, really love this one. And although Happy Place is not a dupe for Frosted Ice Iris, I really do love that color too. The other two, the Grape Escape and then Keep It Surreal, meh. They're kind of meh. But anyway, that's today's side-by-side comparison. And see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.